Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. So we're gonna have a peek inside the box and see the contents of this box and what exactly comes inside the box of this phone. So this is a 2025 budget phone from Samsung, like they do every year. Might need a knife for this. So they're calling this the slim design glass, powerful performance, intelligent features like object eraser is going to be in this phone, and of course the 6x operating system security. I got the black variant, as you can see. So before we look at the phone itself, let's have a quick look at what's in the box. Of course, SIM ejector at all already indicates that we do have physical SIM slot, and of course you have your Type-C to Type-C cable and your paperwork, which is going to be your manual and warranty cards. So having a quick look at the phone itself, so there's the phone itself, and it's a glass back, which is feeling premium. Then of course the frame in the middle is plastic, and of course at the front we have Gorilla Glass Victus. They're calling it the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. That's the front glass. Now this comes in at about 200 grams, so it's not too heavy, not too light. And this specific color, they're calling it the, let me check on the box here, they're calling this the, well, they're just calling it black. Okay, so that is basically the phone itself. You can see it is a microphone up top. It has a triple camera setup, and of course the LED flash. The SIM tray is in the top left side. At the bottom we have the usual, a Type-C port, a microphone, and a downward firing speaker. So this is a pretty good phone. Okay, so that is the Galaxy A27 unboxing. That's what comes in the box. Of course, I'll be making subsequent videos on this phone, talking about all the features that you can use and find on this phone. So make sure you stay subscribed not to miss any. Thanks for watching, and good luck.